Good morning, class 1. Today we will do English literature. Okay, as you all know that we have already finished chapter 1 of your book. I have given you the question answers, right? And the grammar time part, that also I have given you, means all the big exercises are given to you. I hope that you have already learned the question answer and you have already written all the question answers nicely in your CW copy. And now you can also submit the classwork and the homework for correction. I think you have already got the app where you have to submit the question answer for correction, right? So today we will start a new poem from this book. So open your book at page number 24. Okay, this is page number 24 of your book, and the name of the poem is Itsy Bitsy Spider. Okay, so open your book at page number 24. So this is the picture of a spider. Okay, now see, we'll start with the poem. Say spider. So have you all, I think that, and I hope that all of you must have seen a spider, right? And we all are, most of us, we all are very much scared of spiders, right? I'm also scared of spiders. I think you are also scared, isn't it? So where do you see those spiders? Mostly we have seen the spiders moving on the wall of our houses. We have seen spiders moving on the walls of our houses. So in this poem we will learn about a spider who climbed up a spout. So in this poem we will also learn about a spider who tried to climb up a spout. Now what is the meaning of a spout? See in the picture, I'll show you. With the help of this picture you can see spout is a pipe, okay, which is connected from the roof of a house to the ground, so that the rain, it is the, what is the use of this pipe? To carry the, to drain out the water, the rain water from the top of the roof to the ground. Okay, so this is spout. Okay, this is called spout. So in this poem we will learn about a spider who tried to climb up a spout. Then let us see what happened to the spider. So let us read the poem first. So itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. See here. So this is itsy bitsy, this is spider. Okay, itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Then down came the rain and washed the spider. Here we say spider out. Then out came the, this is what? Sun. Out came the sun. Right. Out came the sun. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and dried up all the rain, and itsy bitsy spider, itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Okay, now so children, please learn the poem, memorize the poem and write it down in your CW copy, okay, with correct spelling and all. Once again you will recite the poem with me. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now see, here we are reading about a spider who tried to climb up the spout. Now the itsy bitsy spider, it was climbing up, okay. So it was climbing the roof with the help of the water spout, the water pipe. Then what happened? Suddenly it started raining. When it started to rain, then what happened? The rain water washed the spider out of the pipe. It was trying to climb, but the force of the rain water pushed it out. Okay, it fell back to the ground. Okay, it fell down to the ground because the force of the water, rainwater, washed the spider out of the spout. Then the spider was very sad Then what happened? Out came the sun. Then the sun came and dried up all the rain. And when the sun came up, the rays of the sun dried the rainwater, and that there was no more rainwater. Okay. Then what happened when the rainwater was not there, when all the rainwater was dried up, then what happened? Again the uh, itsy bitsy spider tried to climb up the spout, and this time it was successful in climbing up the spout. Okay, so with the help of this spout, it climbed up the roof of the house. Okay, so this is a very nice poem. So you all learn the poem, and then one word meaning is given. Spout. Spout means what? A pipe that carries rainwater from roof to ground. So here, this is this is the word meaning. So when you write in the CW copy, on the top of the margin, suppose this is the top of the margin, you will write the date. Then here you will write the name of the poem. You will write the name of the poem, not up, down, below the margin. Here you will write the name of the poem. Then you will write word meanings. Okay, in this poem you have got only one word meaning, that is spout. So you will write nicely word meaning, then you will write spout, and from here only you will write down the meaning. Done, and then you will start writing the question answer and all. Okay, so and this time what you have to do is, at first you have to write the word meaning, then please write down the poem in the CW copy. Okay, if those who can draw nicely, they can draw also. Same this way you can draw. Okay, so you can draw, and this picture also, those who can draw, it is not necessary that all of you will draw. Okay, those who can draw, they can draw. Otherwise you will write the poem at the top. You will write the name of the poem, then the word meaning, and then the poem you will write. Okay, understood? So then in the next class I will discuss the back exercises with you. Thank you.